This smooth reverse you see in every edit is not the basic reverse button. It's called Time Remap. Today I'm breaking it down step by step using Node Video, then I'll show you how to polish it in Alight Motion. No PC needed. Open Alight Motion. Here we are going to look at the timeline and add our clip. As you can see that I've already gotten my clip ready. I added a random shape layer that will be serving as an additional clip for today's tutorial. So now we will take our clip, copy and paste it in a different project. Now all we have to do is export this clip and add it to Node Video for the reverse time remap. Now we're in Node Video, so first we are going to need to add our clip which we exported from Alight Motion. Press on Media, then Video and look for your clip. There we go, we just now added our clip. Make sure you pressed on the clip. There will be a plus icon visible as you can see on my left. Press it and you will see all the effects that Node Video has to offer. Press on the button where it says Time. You'll see two more buttons called Time Remap and Speed Ramp. Since we're only focused on doing Time Remap, we will have to press on the button which is at the top. Now here's where things get tricky. If you press on Time Remap tab, it'll open with two keyframes which is at both the ends of the clip. The first one is for the beginning of the clip and the second one is for the end of the clip. Now we will be dragging the keyframe which is at the end of the clip to the middle of the clip. You'll see that whenever the timeline goes after this keyframe, it gets frozen because there is nothing that happens after the end of this clip. Now we will be clicking on the keyframe which is at the beginning of the clip, then we will press the duplicate button and another keyframe will spawn with the same time values as the keyframe at the start. Now drag this keyframe at the end of the clip. There we go. Your time remap will look something like this. I have spotted an issue with the keyframe at the middle, so we will click on it and lower its value down by a few seconds, just like I'm doing. There we go, problem solved. We are practically done with our time remap, but to make it more interesting, we will be messing with a few graphs. Open your graph editor and for the first two keyframes, add an ease out graph like I do. For the last two keyframes, we will use an ease in graph. So yeah, there is a little error, so I'm just going to adjust the ease in graph a little. And there we go. We are finally done. So now let's export the video. Follow my steps. Now that we finally got our reversed time remapped clip, we can go import it into the timeline. Yeah, that's basically it. Now what I want to do now is to shrink the clip so it can fit the first two beat marks. And that's reverse time remap done right. Way smoother than the basic reverse button, and once you get the graph keyframes down in Node Video, you can use it on any clip. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe. I post phone editing tutorials every week. See you in the next one.